Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Balamure. Today I am presenting the topic on law of gearing. This is the first slide agenda. First one is the objective of the presentation, then what are the gears, then importance of the gear, then basic types of the gear, and then basic gear terminology. This is the all we have covered in this session. First one is the objective of presentation. To explain the fundamental principle of the gearing and its importance in a mechanical system. Second, to understand the condition required for the smooth and efficient power transmission in the gear. Then third one is to analyze the impact of the law of gearing on the gear design and the performance. Fourth one is the to highlight the common issues in the gearing and how they can be mitigated. Then, what are the gears? Gears are the basically wheels that have a tooth. They are together transfer the motion and the power from the one part of the machine to the another part of the machine. When one gear is the turns, then it is known as the automatically the other gear are rotate according to the their position of the machine, clockwise and anti-clockwise of the direction. This is the importance of the gears. First one is the power transmission, second speed control, then torque manipulation, fourth one is the direction control, and fifth one is the precision motion, load distribution, and compact design. This is the basic types of the gear. First one is the spur gear. स्पर गियर मीन्स उसके जो टूथ होते हैं वो पैरेलल इन सीरीज होते हैं और स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट होते हैं. सेकंड इज द हेलिक्स गियर. हेलिक्स गियर के टूथ इस एंगल शेप में होते हैं. देन बीवेल गियर बेसिकली यूज फॉर द कन्वर्ट 90 डिग्री मोशन for power transmission. Then worm gear and then rack and pinion gear. The rack and pinion gear convert the rotary motion into the linear motion. Then this is the gear terminology. First one here we know in this diagram. This is known as the pitch circle. Here we know. Then this is the addendum circle and this is the dedendum circle. The height between the addendum circle to the pitch circle, it is known as the addendum, and this the height between of the pitch circle to the dedendum, it is known as the dedendum. This is the face width. Then this is the face. This is known as the flange. This is the working depth, and this is known as the circular pitch, and this is known as the toothpaste. Here is the it is the gear terminology. Then there we know the law of gearing. The law of gearing says that for the gears are working smoothly and the transfer motion continuously, the teeth of the gears must always stay in the constant in such way that the speed ratio between the gears remains constant. This is the law of gearing. Here we know the derivation of this. V1 cos alpha is equal to V2 cos beta. V1 velocity is equal to omega angular velocity into the perpendicular the distance, then cos alpha. This is the derivation of the law of gearing. And then we have solving the simple numerical on this the law of gearing concept. Here we know the given the first gear teeth, there are the 20 teeth, and the second gear teeth is the 40. And then we here given is the first gear speed in rpm 120 rpm. We know we calculate the speed of the second gear and the ratio of the gear. This is the solution. The formula of the law of gearing is the ratio is the parallel n1 upon n2 is equal to t2 upon t1. Here n1 is equal to the speed of the first gear and n2 is equal to speed of second gear. T2 is equal to tooth of second gear and T1 is equal to tooth of third gear. 120 upon N2 is equal to 40 upon 20 is equal to 2. Then N2 is equal to 120 upon 2 is equal to 60 rpm. The speed of the first gear is the 60 rpm. Here we calculate the ratio of this gear. Ratio is 2 is to 1. Then this is the application of the law of gearing. First application is the automatic transmission vehicles, then machine tools, then watches and clocks, then industrial gear system, Thank you so much.